Welcome back, everyone. My name is Timothy. We are just about to finish our bread. Let's see. So excited to see. Oh, did you see that? You need a gloves because it's hot. Okay. Oh my goodness. Did you see that? Did you see that bread? Be very careful though. Shut my machine off. Be very careful though because it's hot. All right, let me get a plate. A minute, let me get a plate. Be very, very careful. It is very hot. Okay, you see? Let's see. Be careful to put it on because it is just, oh my goodness. Did you see that? It's right there. Oh! Oh my gosh. Did you see that bread? Oh, what? Let's flip it. Oh my God. This bread is unbelievable. See? Let's get some cutting to do. I want to see inside. Oh my goodness. It is. Did you see the smoke? Did you the smoke coming? What? Look at the bread inside. What? Anyway. Alright. That's my review for this. Okay. Subscribe. Bye.